Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are doing fine, and today I'm back with another video. So as you can see, I have a product from H&M, and this is my first set of rings. Male ring, human, not human, yeah, human also. Male rings like for men. So this is set of 3. So I'll quickly show you how it comes, like packaging and all, and also the quality, and if I like that, if I'm keeping that or not. I'll tell you by the end of the video. I'll quickly open it. I've already opened it, by the way. So this is my name. So it came from H&M. So it does not come too much packed or something. Yeah friends, so as I was saying, here it is. It was in a poly bag which I threw. Not a paper bag, mostly very thin paper, so it torn before I could show you. So here is the packaging. Let me zoom in and show you. You can see, right? Let me bring close the lights. So here is it. Yep. So about the packaging, it's quite good, premium. The packaging was good. I couldn't show you the all of it, but it was good. And this whole thing is very stiff, like it won't come out anyhow. I haven't pulled it out. And yeah, now coming to the size details. So I have not very thick or very thin, it's like mostly thin, long fingers. So I have medium size, which will go for most of average men in India, but some of you might need large or small. Check the details there. So it has a H&M branding. Okay, so this is that. And so let's come to each ring separately. So first one is this ring, which has that chain kind of pattern lines. It is quite good. Okay, second is this, which is simple plain ring, so you can use it where in normal day life. And this is my favorite one, the one for which I bought this. So this looks really cool, goes with everything. And I have chosen silver. It is the H&M has 2 sets, silver and bronze in this. Golden, like dark golden or bronze, whatever you can see. But I went with this because they say it should go with the accessories, and my watch is silver, my kada is silver, so all 3 go together. That's how you can style it. So let's open it quickly. So there it goes. So let's come to the first ring. This is it. Yeah, so this is the first ring. So you can find cheaper ones on Amazon. Okay, they look similar, but the difference which I found was the corners. So in this you can see how corners are like diamond shaped, you can say cut off, not sharp. But in Amazon you can get for 200, 150, 250. Those corners are sharp. That's the main difference which I found. Quality will be a difference. H&M and other Amazon brands will be a difference. So this is the first one, my favorite. Style it with black or any color, mostly with black. Look really cool, party wear mostly. Now let's go to the second one, which is this. It is simple plain silver ring, so you can wear it day to day to look cool with formals as well as casuals. Now coming to this one, which is not my style, like too much pattern or something, you can say, for me, but I will try to wear it with something, not sure, maybe as a thumb ring, because it's quite thick. So it has a pattern in till front, so if you see, and then sides it's plain. So that's how it is. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll add some more pictures of it and you can check them out. So yeah guys, I'll post some pictures in the end. You can check them out how it looks and all when it's worn. But I quite liked it so far, so I'll quickly wear one and show you how it looks. Okay, I'll wear all three. Not fitting. So guys, this is me wearing two of them. See how it looks. Quite good, yeah. And fit is fine. This one is a bit loose on this finger, this one is a bit fixed. So yeah, I'll quickly change one. Time लग गया change करने में. So this is it. Yeah, हाँ यार ये दो अच्छी लग रही है साथ में. One is pattern, one is plain. ठीक है. So thank you guys. If you have any questions regarding these, please comment. You can ask me, ping me, Instagram, anything. Bye bye. Thank you. And yeah, about the price, this costed me 700 rupees, set of 3. Bye bye. Feel free to ask me anything about the rings, like how they last over time, if they fade away or not. Just feel free to ask me anything. Thank you.